For the last 50 years, BraunAbility has provided accessible products for both public and personal transportation needs. As the global leader in mobility solutions, BraunAbility continues to innovate for new advances in accessibility. We're keeping people with disabilities connected to what matters most in their world. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the brand new mobility solution for the commercial market, the BraunAbility CompanionVan ADA on the Ram Promaster. This product is a great solution for those transportation fleets looking to offer wheelchair accessibility. Let's start with the chassis. The Ram Promaster is a commercial vehicle meant to be a workhorse while also including the latest technology. Now let's talk about the exclusive conversion by BraunAbility. An ideal choice for many paratransit providers, it's easy to operate, provides simple access for wheelchair passengers. The ADA CompanionVan compiles a robust offering of industry-trusted options at an appealing price point. Let's take a closer look. Unique when compared to traditional paratransit van designs, the ADA CompanionVan on the Ram Promaster incorporates a lowered midship floor and BraunAbility ramp with swing-in stowing feature for a clear doorway. Powered bus-style doors. 2 fully compliant wheelchair positions and up to 9 ambulatory passenger positions. With the Buy America conversion, we have unique options for great value add from industry leaders. The Q'Straint 1, the Q'Straint Incline Assist, Q'Straint OmniFloor for flexible seating floor plans, TransAir 50K BTU air system, Friedman seat upgrades with SeatLink. Additional floor plans are available. The Shortcut, which accommodates 11 ambulatory passengers and 1 ADA wheelchair compliant position. BraunAbility wheelchair accessible vehicles are designed to provide mobility independence for wheelchair passengers. Familiarity with proper operation and maintenance procedures will help ensure safe, trouble-free operation. We encourage transit personnel, drivers, and wheelchair attendants to review the material contained within this manual with your sales representative before attempting operation. Any questions or concerns can be addressed at that time. All information contained in this manual and supplements is provided for your safety. Familiarity with proper operational instructions as well as proper maintenance procedures are necessary to ensure safe, trouble-free operation. Safety precautions are provided to identify potential hazardous situations and provide instruction on how to avoid them. The auxiliary AC and heat controller is located on the driver's knee bolster, lower dash unit to the left side of the steering wheel. Use the OEM controls along with the auxiliary unit controls as detailed below for operation. The automatic door switch and interior lighting switch is located on the overhead console. To operate the automatic door, the vehicle must be in park. Ensure that the door manual override lever is in the auto position. Use bus door switch to open or close the bus door. To operate interior lighting, use the toggle switch to turn on, which is up, and off, which is down, the interior lighting. To operate the door manually, open doors and flip the door manual override lever to manual position, which is upright. Carefully open and close the door. If the doors do not operate, move the manual override lever to manual position. Close the doors by hand and return the lever to the auto position against the vertical wall. Basic operations for the manual fold-out ramp. The ramp is manually deployed and stowed by an attendant. An oval-shaped handhold slot is provided center of the ramp platform. The ramp is deployed and stowed using the handhold. Keep clear of the ramp mechanism when swinging or stowing the vertical ramp. Remember to use good body mechanics when stowing and deploying the ramp. How to deploy the ramp. Fully open the passenger sliding bus door. Then unlatch the ramp from position 1. To unlatch the ramp, pull on the loop located on the top left side of the ramp. Swing the ramp towards the doorway and latch it in the position to number 2. Carefully deploy the ramp into position number 3 using the handhold. Carefully stow the ramp into position number 2 using the handhold. Do not leave the ramp in position number 2 if your vehicle is equipped with bus doors. How to swing the ramp to position 1. Swing ramp to position 1 by pulling on the release loop to the left of the ramp. Then swing ramp towards the front seats until the ramp fully latches in position number 1. Standard features of the Promaster, CompanionVan, Buy America, and ADA compliant conversion include lowered floor, side entry, long cut conversion with bus style doors, BraunAbility manual swingaway 32-inch wide ramp, ADA compliant Jur 4 flooring, insulated ABS interior ceilings and walls, new Friedman Go ES seating, safety kit including a first aid kit, fire extinguisher, triangles, LED strip lighting, driver and passenger side steps, handrails, and a 36-inch A&M Systems powered door. This conversion includes the Q-Straight 1, an all-in-one wheelchair securement station. The Q-Straight 1 is easy and intuitive, with easy-to-reach hookups to fully secure a wheelchair in under 1 minute, and includes simple color and numbering sequences, visual indicators, pre-positioned belt, and push-button operation. Overall dimensions of the Q-Straight 1 are 30 inches wide, 1.41 inches total height, and 48 inches in length. Q-Straight 1 is fully crash tested and meets all current ADA requirements, including RESNA WC4, Section 18, WC18, WC19, and 150-1054-1. The Q-Straight Incline Assist controlled steering provides operator full control of the passenger boarding and deboarding process. It reduces driver injury and operator liability. This conversion features a Transair AC system specifically designed for Ram Promaster. Total cooling capacity 50,000 BTU. Friedman seating upgrades may include armrests on each seat, additional seat bottom cushions, stainless steel grab handles, level 5 vinyl Docket 90 gray, Seat Link, which is a seat sensor track occupancy and belt status and wireless communication to the driver, a head unit display seat status of all passengers, and records and stores the data in case of an event. This conversion also features Q-Straight's OmniFloor, which is an interlocking aluminum flooring for modular movement of your seating configurations. The Incline Assist provides a faster, easier, and safer way of onboarding passengers. Press and hold both arrow buttons on the wall-mounted controller for 4 seconds to release the hooks and Incline Assist, making sure to press and hold the down arrow first, followed by the up arrow. Grab the hooks near the webbing with your hand positioned in a way that will allow you to easily attach the frame of the wheelchair and proceed down the ramp to the chair. Attach both hooks to a solid frame member on the wheelchair or a WC19 attachment location and remove the wheel locks or ensure that the electric mobility device is in freewheel mode. Once attached to the wheelchair, find the thumb controller and use it to carefully navigate the chair up the ramp and into the vehicle. Pressing the Z button will activate and deactivate the incline, and the thumb control will allow you to move the chair forward and gently steer it to the left and to the right. For securement, the Promaster ADA CompanionVan features the Q-Straight 1, an all-in-one wheelchair securement station that eliminates many of the complications of a traditional 4-point system. Equipped with visual indicators, auditory feedback, push-button operation, and an easier approach to occupant securement use, it makes securement friendly and intuitive, allowing operators to proceed with confidence even with the most complicated mobility devices. Once the chair is safely in the vehicle, return the thumb controller to its mount. Then release the hooks as you did previously by pressing and holding the arrow buttons on the wall controller. If needed, take the chair out of freewheel mode, then return the hooks to their stowage position. Help your passenger to the securement location if necessary. Prior to loading the passenger into the vehicle, the operator prepares the occupant securement for use by removing it from stowage and attaching the shoulder belt and the wall side portion of the lap belt to a connector on the vehicle wall. When positioning the passenger in the securement location, the recessed securements provide more clear floor space and eliminate the tripping hazard that traditional retractors present. Once the passenger is in the securement location, the operator presses the push button to release all 4 securements. When this is done, the button changes from green to red, indicating that the securements are unlocked and it's not safe to drive. Once the button is pressed, the securements are unlocked for 2 minutes while the operator secures the mobility device easily with one hand. With the device secured, the operator can readily access the aisle side portion of the lap belt from the floor and connect it with the rest of the occupant securement system, allowing the operator to largely remain out of the passenger's personal space. At this point, the passenger is secured and the operator can lock the system by pressing the push button. The system will also lock automatically once the 2-minute securement time elapses, or the parking brake is removed when the operator begins their trip. To deboard your passenger, simply press the button on the vehicle wall to release the securements. Unbuckle the occupant securement, attaching the wall side portion of the system to the attachment point on the wall and guiding the aisle side buckle back to the channel in the Q-Straight 1 platform. Then remove the securement hooks from the mobility device, taking care to ensure each securement hook stays flat in its channel. Once the hooks are released, the passenger can adjust the placement of their mobility device to make it easier to remove the front securements if space is limited. This video highlights just a few of the impressive features of the BraunAbility CompanionVan ADA built on the Ram Promaster. For more information, please contact the BraunAbility commercial sales team and visit our commercial website at braunability.com/commercial.